Chris, where are we at?
We are at the Mob Incorporated. Chris here with the Alabama Flash. We are going to light the candles up on Dan's Red Horse Funny Car today. It's going to be exciting here in Emberness, Alabama. This is our second show here. So we're looking forward to some big events here. A lot of cars, a lot of food, beautiful people here. You're going to have a good time. So hopefully we'll have a video coming out with this one, and we're going to try and light the candles tonight, right?
What's your radio station?
So 101.1 Drag Race Central.
There you are.
We're here with the Rat Horse Funny Car at Mob Incorporated's night event. We're going to get dressed here in about the next 5-10 minutes. Get ready to fire this thing up for the night. So we're going to do 2 of them tonight. I know we're planning for 6:30 and another one at 7:30. So that's going to put us together 2 cranks ups, and show will be wrapping up around 8:30-ish, at 8 o'clock. And so we're going to have a good night.
Thank you.
They do squat. I see what you mean.
They all squat.
I understand.
Oh, you're going this way. Oh, okay.
Three of these left in the world. Out of the 150 that raced approximately in the 70s. Quiet Willie's Funny Car is out in private collection in Las Vegas. Joe Greer, the world champion in 74, his son has one. And I've got this one. And it's called Rat Horse because it's got a rat motor in it, and the Mustang's a horse.
The Rat Horse being, this is a Chevrolet motor in it. Chevrolet made 2 versions of their engines. One is a small motor, which is a small block. They call them a mouse motors. And they call the big motors rat motors. So that's how it's getting the name Rat Horse. Horse being it being a Mustang. So he's just kind of combined the 2. The big block Chevrolets are the easiest to maintain and run, so that's why it's got that in there instead of a Ford. Back in the day, it ran a Chrysler Hemi, 426 Hemi blown on nitro. And that was back in the days when things were real crazy. But today we're doing more for entertainment, and that's why we're running it on alcohol injected with a big block Chevrolet. Still puts a good show on without the expense.
On average.
So we're going to go through the starting stage. So what we're doing, we're getting oil pressure up on the motor. A lot of engines you can crank up cold. This engine, you want the oil pressure to be up. You want everything kind of lubricated as you're cranking it. So I'm going to put some fuel in it. Usually it takes 2 or 3 cranks. Yeah.
Make sure you get the crowd shots too.
What does that each put in?
That's gasoline. Looks like
Yeah, it's got a really nasty whiskey. It's awesome. Japanese
Oh, by the way, what's up, dude? He can tell you too. Chill out, bro.
No, I need to. I'm gonna go to Vestine and get one of those.
You got some buffalo, right?
This is a lot bigger than the card.
See, that's the only thing I'm scared of. Because if you put it in the wall, it's all
Hey, Guppy.
Hello, Guppy. Yes.
From Guppy to Guppy.
Yes, you don't want me on your website channel.
Oh, you're going to be there.